Okay, so you've booked your dream trip, which is awesome. But now comes the big question. Where should you buy travel insurance? Today, we're going to break it all down to make that decision super simple so you can travel with total peace of mind. Right, the flights are booked, the hotel is set, you're ready to go. But wait, there's that one last thing, travel insurance. And you've really got two main paths. Do you go with the super convenient option from your membership club, or do you get an expert on your side and work with a licensed insurance agent? Let's figure out which one is right for you. All right, first up, let's talk about the option a lot of us see first, membership clubs. You know who I'm talking about. Places like AAA or even Costco, where travel insurance is just sitting there as a simple, easy-to-grab member benefit. So how does this actually work? Well, think of it this way. Your club has already done the shopping for you. They've partnered up with just one insurance company to offer a single prepackaged plan. It's designed to be a total grab-and-go solution, super straightforward. And here you see the classic trade-off, right? On the one hand, it's incredibly easy. It's often a bit cheaper because of group rates. And hey, you probably already trust the brand. But the flip side is a real lack of choice. You're getting a generic one-size-fits-all policy that might have lower coverage limits than you'd expect. So who's the perfect fit for this? Honestly, it's ideal for travelers with really simple needs. Think a quick domestic trip where you just want a basic safety net. If speed and a low price tag are your top priorities, this can definitely be a solid choice. But, and this is a big but, this is probably not the right fit if your trip is even a little bit complex. For any international travel, expensive prepaid cruises, or if you need specific medical coverage, these plans can really fall short. And that super popular cancel for any reason benefit, yeah, you'll almost never find it here. Okay, now let's completely switch gears and look at a totally different way of doing things. Working with a licensed insurance agent to find your policy. An agent is basically your personal shopper for travel insurance. Instead of one pre-selected plan, they open the door to a whole marketplace of options from dozens of different companies. Their entire job is to understand your specific trip and help you find and customize the absolute perfect policy. And this right here is the core difference. The huge plus is the massive range of choices and the ability to tailor your coverage, all with an expert guiding you. The trade-off? Well, it definitely takes more effort than a one-click purchase, and, more comprehensive coverage is naturally going to cost a bit more. This path is absolutely the way to go for anyone who just can't afford to have gaps in their coverage. We're talking international trips, travelers with pre-existing medical conditions, or anyone with thousands of dollars in non-refundable deposits on the line. This is how you make sure every single detail is protected. But hey, let's be real, it's not for everybody. If you're just taking a short trip in country, all your bookings are fully refundable, or you already have fantastic travel protection through your credit card, then this level of detail might just be overkill. All right, time for the fun part. Let's put these two options head to head. I think seeing the key features right next to each other is going to make the differences crystal clear. Wow, when you lay it out like this, the differences are pretty stark, aren't they? A club might offer you one, maybe two insurance carriers. An agent gives you access to dozens. Customization goes from very limited to highly customizable. And that cancel for any reason option, rare with clubs, but often available through an agent. It really is a simple, single product versus an entire marketplace of choices. So after all that, what's the bottom line here? How do you actually make the right call for your specific travel plans? Okay, so here's the most important takeaway. While a club plan is perfectly fine for a basic, simple domestic trip, the second your plans involve international travel, big non-refundable costs, or the need for really solid medical coverage, going with an agent becomes the smarter and, frankly, the much safer choice. So making your final decision really just comes down to these three simple steps. First, be honest about your trip. Is it simple or complex? Second, think about your financial risk and what you need health-wise. And third, just pick the path that matches those answers. It's all about matching the tool to the job. Now, if you decide that getting some expert guidance is the right path for you, we can actually help with that. Here at The Annuity Expert, we can help you compare travel insurance quotes from all the top carriers to find the best coverage for your trip. And our services are always completely free to use. You can give us a call at 770-755-1565 or just visit us online. Whatever you choose, we hope you have safe and amazing travels.